Welcome to this short video about the Level 5 certificate in coaching and mentoring. At ATC Training, we provide both the Level 3 award and the Level 5 certificate. The difference between the two is that the Level 3 award is purely theory based, so you don't have to actually coach or mentor people as part of that qualification. The Level 5 is obviously more in depth as it's a higher level, and you do need to demonstrate your competency by designing, delivering and evaluating a coaching or mentoring program. So this is pitched at those who are currently working in a role that require or may require you to coach and mentor others. Or it may be that you are a freelance coach or looking to become a freelance coach in the future. The Level 5 certificate has 3 units. So 2 of the 3 units we assess through written essays. So you do have 2 written essays to complete as part of this qualification. We do provide advice and guidance and resources for you to be able to complete those, and tutor support is available throughout the process. You'll also be required to design, deliver and evaluate a coaching or mentoring program. You can decide whether you want to do a coaching program or a mentoring program depending on your role and your needs. That coaching and mentoring program must last at least 6 weeks, and it must include at least 3 sessions to at least 1 person. As part of your practical task, we do require an observation. So we do need to physically see you deliver a coaching or mentoring program. And that only needs to be 1 of your 3 mandatory sessions within your coaching and mentoring program. The easiest way for you to do this is to make a recording and submit it to your tutor. Otherwise, our tutors can join you on a live remote session and we can watch you and then provide feedback on your coaching or mentoring program afterwards. So you'll need to create that program, deliver the program, and then at the end, after that 6-week period or longer, if you need it, you can then determine, was it actually successful? That's both successful for the individual, maybe for the team, and for the organization if it was part of a broader program. Evidence of success might look like feedback forms from your coachee or mentees, or if this is part of a program within an organization, you may get statements from supervisors or managers, or there may be KPIs that you can look at that have been positively impacted as a result of your coaching or mentoring program. So the practical part really does depend on the type of role that you have and the type of people that you're working with. But ultimately, the practical task to conclude is to plan, design, deliver, and evaluate a coaching or mentoring program in the way you see fit. Just like with the essays, if you need support and guidance at any point, tutor support is available. When you enroll, you will be given contact details for a named tutor, and you can at any point go to www.atctraining.net/support to request either admin or tutor support along the way. Good luck with the qualification, and please get in touch if you need anything further.